Hello everybody, we're working on a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. We're programming a new fob. This is the fob the customer has. This is the original fob. We inserted it into the emergency slot here. That's also the programming slot, and also the slot when the battery dies. So we just have to follow the instructions of our machine. Once it tells us to stop, to insert the new key into the slot, we will. It's going to learn the chip and the key, and the job will be complete. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Learning succeeded. Do you want to learn the next one? Yes, we do. So we're going to take it out and put the next one in. Just like that. Learning succeeded. We do not want to learn another one. Learning is complete. So we take it out, close the glove box. Buttons work on the new one. Button works on the old one. We are done. That's how you learn and program new remotes for Mitsubishi Outlander. Thanks for watching.